Hey people, welcome back to the channel Take the Bow. I guess you people are doing great today. So, yeah, so in any business, there's a certain period called seasonal, and few business are completely perennial. So, perennials where it goes completely throughout the year without any hindrances or gaps in between. The seasonal are specifically concerned with a specific period of time that can be a productive goods or agricultural or can be any artificial intelligence. The products are across like variant genres where it will go beyond our expectation and the list would go on. In fact, if I try to point them out, so these seasonal business are highly occupant, and these are the things which makes the perennial business activity to go on throughout the year and year. So before we get on to the actual concept right now, so people who are new to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. So as soon as you subscribe, just click on the bell icon so that you'll get the regular updates about our channel video. So yep, so we can get into the concept now. So it's all about the seasonal fruit called mangoes. Mangoes are predominantly manufactured, like they're produced in India, and perhaps they have been taken from here and being cultivated across the globe into several parts of globe, in fact. So still, since it's the origin of this particular fruit, Indian mangoes are quite highly demand, and they have huge prospect in the global market. So the regular demand and supply is being met with a lot of production from South India. So the dominant production being from South India, you have a huge opportunity of doing this business if you are located here, and even if you are not in this particular region, so you can try to the nearest available region, the production hub, where you can procure them at the wholesale cost and you can sell them at the retail price, and you can even supply it at the wholesale cost to the retailers in your specific region. This option can be done in different ways, as in directly selling to the customer or supplying it to the retailers, or even you can do some mobile shop selling as well. So mobile selling, as in the people used to actually load them in a vehicle and go to a specific region on specific days, so that sell them accordingly during the day time. The people get used to it, so and they'll automatically expect on specific days on those region. So that will be a highly profitable kind of business for you, because not going to spend anything on the place or any kind of infrastructure in order to prepare the selling process. All you have to do is load it in the vehicle and just sell them across. So, and that will be a huge profitable option for you as well. Apart from these, the mangoes are highly in demand in the juice shops, and then for making the bottled juice, and few of the supermarkets even sell them as a fresh fruits, cut fruits. Cut fruits are quite common as a street food, where you'll have them peeled off the skin, and then that'll be cut into cubes and kept in a ready to use boxes, and that is how people used to consume, and they're most crazy about consuming these kind of fruits without the skin, and they can directly consume it from the box. That will be a ready to use on the shelf product. So these kind of value additions can be done in order to get the most out of this particular product. The wholesale cost of per kg would make you somewhere like 30 rupees, and that could be sold for a retail cost of 100 to 120 rupees, which makes you a profit of 50 to 70 rupees. At times even can go beyond that, and if you try to do them with the value addition, definitely you'll have a selling cost of somewhere like 500, 600 also, because each kg could be made into at least like 10 boxes of cube cut fruits, and that could be sold at least like 50 rupees each box. So absolutely you'll be getting a profit of almost like 10 times that of what you have spent. I mean, even more than 10 times, in fact. So that is how this could be executed. And during the off seasons, like since it's being a seasonal fruit, you have them for at least like 4 to 6 months in a year. So after that, you can even look for some other products which are again seasonal, not perennial, but still on the off seasons of these mangoes. So those products can also be included. That could be an industrial product or fresh product, or agricultural product, or any manufacturing. That could differ across the genres, but still all you have to do is keep some seasonal businesses continuously, so that could lead you to a perennial business style where you'll have the continuous engagement throughout the year. So I guess I've covered enough of information about this business concept. I've given a description, in the description, the link for the wholesale purchase as well. You can please visit them. So if at all you got any doubts or questions about this concept, just let me know in the comment section. And if you think anything can be put into this particular channel, any specific product that is available as a seasonal product in your region, and that could be used as a high commercial value product in the market, you can please feel free to let me know on that, so that I'll research and provide a business idea on that as well. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you feel this will help someone, you can share it to them, so let them also get benefited of the business.